everybody. Today I'm going to unpackage or unbox or unwrap this two package, and this is from Amazon. And take note, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this two from Amazon, and I'm going to open this first and then this one. So this is the first package. I'll open the second package later. Okay, this is my son's book. That's it. This is Roald Dahl, Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. So I ordered this for my son because he wants to read this one. So this is what's in this package. So we'll open the second package, and I'm waiting for the edible gold here. But there is two books inside. So that's inside. Again, just a reminder, this is not a sponsored video. I bought this in Amazon. So this is what's inside. Two books. Roald Dahl or Roald Dahl, I cannot pronounce it. So Danny, the Champion of the World, and George, Marvelous Medicine. So that's inside. And the one I've been waiting for, ta-da! So this is 24 karat gold leaf, but this is different from the other one because this is edible, so we can put this in the cake, coffee and everything. So I'll taste this now, but before that I have to open this first. Let's open the box. Wait, the box is cute, but we don't know how big is the. But I'll show you how big is the packaging. It's like that. It's not that huge. And now we'll open it. So this is what's inside. We'll see. Let's reveal the gold leaf. This edible gold leaf. Okay, I'll just take one piece and I will eat it right now. Okay, that is the edible leaf. Oh, it's thin. Yeah, so thin. Look at that. I will eat this now because this is edible. So let's try. Again, tastes like metal. So I'm going to compare these two. So this one is not edible. I cannot eat that one. This black color. And this one is edible. But this tastes nothing, but you can smell the metal scent of it. So inside this box there are 10 pieces of leaf only, and it costs £8. So it's a bit pricey, but I did not pay delivery charge because I have ordered my son's book. So Well enough. This edible gold leaf is used for cake decoration. So you can use this for if you're making a cake, if you want it special, making coffee or food, and you want to put gold on top, you can use this one. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. Till next video. Thank you.